Um, so hello, today you're gonna look at this amazing problem from JEE Advanced 2024. So let's do this. Firstly, we have to split, or we can factorize this part, like everything divided by a, this matrix to the power of 2023. This gives us that we can call this m. So that oh, sorry, that of m. So we have that that of m is equal to that of a to power 2023 times a squared minus 3a plus this is like I. This is the identity matrix at the last place. And what can we do with this part? So we can recognize that we can split this into two parts, that like that of xy. I will like say it like this, that is equal to that x times that y. So this means that we can split it like this. That's 2, 3, and it is times that of a squared minus 3a plus identity matrix. So now we have broken the problem into two easier parts. We can firstly look at this one, a to the power of 2023. We can apply the same rule, but for the case where we have x to the power of n, it's just gonna be determinant of x times n. Like determinant of matrix to the power of something is just multiplying the determinants of matrix n times. So this first part, we can call it jedna maybe, m1, m1. So m1 will be equal to that of this is yes, that's gonna be equal to that of a and that all to the power of 2023. We just have to calculate the determinant. So let me clean up the board to this part so we can move on. So now we have this part, so what we can do is just calculate the determinant of a. So it's gonna be equal to, if we calculate the determinant of a, it's just 2 times 5 minus 3 times 3 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So we have that this entire thing is equal to e to the power of 2023, and that's just 1, not e, 1. So then we can move on to the second part, because this is one we could cancel it or don't use it completely. So determinant of n is just gonna be equal to that of a squared minus 3a plus y. And now we get to the interesting part. We just have to do matrix multiplication here, and then into the identity matrix is just these things right here, 1 0 0 1. So just we have to multiply 2 times this matrix. So a squared, we can write it as 2 3 3 5 times 2 3 3 5. And now let's look at this more specifically. So we like so just multiply this everything. So we will get a new matrix where the position a11 is gonna be 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. So it's gonna be 4 plus 9 is gonna be 13. Then here the second place is gonna be 2 times 3. It's like 6 plus 3 times 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 6 is gonna be 21. And then we just are left with this column right here. Is gonna be 3 times 3, 2 times 3, sorry, or 3 times 2, 6 plus 3 times 3, it's gonna be 6 plus 9, I guess. I don't know, wait. So it's gonna just be like 3 times 2 plus 5 times 3. It's gonna be 15 plus 6 is 21. Yes, it's 21. And the last one is gonna be like 3 times 3, it's 9, plus 5 plus 5, it's 25, so 34. So we have it right here. And then what we are left to do is just calculate that a squared minus 3a plus I. You can write this out as 13, 21, 21, 34 minus 3 times this. We're just gonna multiply each member of the matrix by 3. It's gonna be 6, 9, 9, 15, and then identity matrix is gonna be 1, 0, 0, 1. And just work this out. The first member is gonna be equal to 13 minus 6 is gonna be 7, plus 1 is gonna be 8. Second term, we have 25, 21 minus 9 is gonna be 12, minus 0, 0. Then 21 minus 9, it's gonna be the same things, 12, 0, 0, 12. And the last term is 34 minus 15, gonna be 19, plus 1 is gonna be 20. So we are just left to calculate. Last part is just to calculate that that of M is equal to that of this matrix right here, 8, 12, 12, 20. We're just gonna do the cross methods. 8 times 20 is 160, 12 times 12 is 144. So it's 160 minus 144. And we are almost done. We just have to like subtract these terms and we get 16. So the answer to this JEE problem is 16. Thanks so much. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this. I tried to speedrun it. It's crazy temperatures out there, so that's why I was sweating so much through this video. So thanks much for watching. Leave me a like, please.